Oh my god, what is this? Okay, what is this? Is it a package? Oh, it's a microscope. Let me call my brother. Bro, a courier came. It's not in your name. Oh, it is. Wait a second. Oh wait, this is my microscope. Oh, I've been waiting for this for years. Oh, finally. Bro, what is this? Oh, this is a microscope. It's kind of like a magnifying glass, but way stronger. You can see so many stuff through this. It's just basically like you can see cells. You can do so many stuff with it, and that's why I like it. Wow. Well, how about we open this? Okay. Well, let's open this up. Okay. Forgot to remove the tapes. Should I bring knife? Okay, fine. Here's a knife. Alright. Alright, here's the microscope. That's okay. It's kind of smaller than I expected, but it's kind of nice. So, this is the microscope that we have gotten. It comes with all kinds of features like, different types of zoom, like 100 times, 600 times, and even 1200 times. So these are all the stuff that came with it. It came with 2 specimen bottles, this thing, a slider, and 2 other sliders. But this already has stuff inside of it. It also came with this box which says specimen and slide labels. Here. So you might be asking, how do I operate this microscope? Well, simple. You just take this off, put in the batteries here, turn the microscope on, put anything you want under here, and then look inside and watch the magic. Put this inside at first. So we put this in, we lower the microscope just enough, and then we look through. Oh my goodness, I can see so much inside of it. So I got this from Temu. See, a microscope is useful for many things. It can help us to see small things that our human eye cannot see otherwise. So Arish, did you think you like this microscope?
Yes, it's a nice feature and it's also a nice thing.
So well, there you have it. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video and bye.